Hey creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Y'all, I'm so excited. I finally got my hands on some mighty hoops. Yay! So today we're going to go ahead and unbox them, set them up, and just talk a little bit about what they are and how they work for my Ricoma EM1010 embroidery machine. As always, everything I use will be listed in the description box of this video, including a code for free shipping in case you want to go ahead and get your own mighty hoops. And if you like this video, you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials. Okay guys, so I got two hoops and they both shipped in this box together. I got mine from Hoop Master. And they ship pretty quickly too. So, who really wants to be waiting all day when you have things to do? Anyway, so here's the 9x3 hoop with the backing holder. And this is great for sleeves. So I'm excited to actually start embroidering on sleeves because it's not really anything I've done before. And then here's the 8x13 hoop, which I'm just pretty much just going to use for my regular everyday projects. And each hoop you order will come with their own set of brackets. And of course, installation is super easy. Just a few screws to screw in, like, super quick. Didn't take very long at all. Now, I will say I've seen people use Mighty Hoops, in their videos and things like that, but nobody really tells you how dope these are. Like, I've never seen anybody off the wall super excited about these, and I'm like, why aren't y'all telling us how easy this is? Like, literally, I was struggling to hoop something, and then I was like, all right, that's it. It's time to get some Mighty Hoops, and look at that. Did you see how easily that snapped on? Y'all, I sat here and played with this for like 5, 10 minutes. Okay, I was just literally so amazed about how quick it is to hoop your items now. Like, literally, hooping was one of my biggest struggles, okay? And now it's like that's done. I don't know why I didn't get these sooner. Like, seriously, you should definitely add these to your embroidery arsenal, right? So, of course, snapping it together is super easy. So, I was like, okay, well, how easy is it actually, you know, in the garment with the stabilizer, things like that. So I'm using this Bella Canvas fleece hoodie. And Bella Canvas fleece hoodies are pretty fuzzy. They're not super heavy, but they are pretty fuzzy. So like with my regular hoop, it would give me a little bit of a struggle. And look at that. Look at that. And look, it's nice and tight, just how you want it. And I'm like, oh my goodness. That took 2 seconds. That took 2 seconds. If I was using my regular hoop, I would still be struggling trying to put it on. Okay. So then I was like, okay. The 8x13 works great. Let me go ahead and try out this sleeve one. So with the sleeve one, since it has the backing holder, you take it apart, right? You put the back magnet part down, put your stabilizer down, and then you put this little backing holder on top of it. And of course, I just ripped off my extra stabilizer. Then we're just going to go ahead and shove that into the sleeve. And then, so shove it into the sleeve, make sure it's nice smooth, and then boop, snap, hooped. And then I just go in and you pull the backing holder from the back, right? So you just pull it down from the back. And now your sleeve is hooped. Now your sleeve is hooped. I was like, are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Y'all, go get you some Mighty Hoops right now, okay? I'm sorry it took me so long to tell y'all about this. If y'all been knew about this, why didn't y'all tell me? Listen, I'm very excited moving forward with my embroidery projects. And then it slides onto Ricky easily. And Ricky is the name of my Ricoma EM1010 embroidery machine. This is the 8x13 hooped on the machine, super easy. And with the 9x3, I do need to adjust my arms, my sewing arms, just to make them a little bit smaller. But that's easy as well because Ricky is adjustable that way. So, and here's the sleeve, and you see it still fits through the sewing arm, so I don't have to worry about that being stitched together. Y'all, free shipping code in the description box of this video, as well as the link to where you go ahead and get it. Go get your Mighty Hoops now.